You can find anyone's LinkedIn profile URL from their email address using Link Finder AI. This product demo showcases how to enrich email data to retrieve LinkedIn profiles efficiently. First, you go to the link in the description of this video. This will redirect you to the Link Finder AI website where you can create a free account. Once redirected, switch to the Link Finder AI website to begin using its features. You can create a free account on Link Finder AI to get started with the tools available. After creating your account, you will be granted some free credits that you can use to start finding email addresses and LinkedIn profiles. In the first input, select the data type you want to use, such as company name, company domain, email address, or LinkedIn company URL. Here, you enter the data type you want to search with, for example, email address. Next, select the output type, such as LinkedIn profile URL, to specify what information you want to receive. Fill in the output type field with LinkedIn profile URL to get the desired results. Click on the field to enter the email address you want to enrich. Enter the lead's email address, for example, bill.gates@microsoft.com, to find their LinkedIn profile URL. Click the Enrich Data button to start finding the LinkedIn profile URL from the email address. From the email address, you get to find the lead's LinkedIn profile URL. You can see a high confidence indicator written in green, meaning the LinkedIn URL is very likely accurate. This high confidence means the LinkedIn profile URL is indeed Bill Gates' LinkedIn URL. If you want to find LinkedIn profiles for multiple people, you can use the Upload CSV Bulk option to upload a list of email addresses. Click Select File to choose your CSV file containing email addresses for bulk enrichment. Click Process 8 items to enrich each email address one by one and find the corresponding LinkedIn profiles. You can view your remaining credits and buy more if needed to continue using the service. You can filter results to show all results or only those with high confidence. Fill the filter option to choose between all results or high confidence only. Click to apply the filter and refine your search results accordingly. Fill the filter settings to customize the results display based on confidence levels. Click here to open the filter menu and select your preferred result view. Click API Access to explore how you can use Link Finder AI programmatically. Click View API Docs to see detailed instructions on integrating Link Finder AI with your applications. Click B2B Data Lookup to find API calls related to business data enrichment. Click Reverse Lookup a person's LinkedIn profile URL from their email address to access this specific API call. This API call allows you to send an email address and receive the corresponding LinkedIn profile URL programmatically. Link Finder AI enables you to quickly find LinkedIn profiles from email addresses, either individually or in bulk. Get started by creating a free account and explore API options to integrate this powerful data enrichment into your workflow today.